Let's continue with the understanding of how CRUD operations are carried out in MongoDB. We take up the update operations. So first fire up MongoDB shell. Uh, as usual, we check out the databases that are already here. So the first we'll use the demo database, check the uh, documents in this collection. Okay, so here we have got 7 documents. So let's update a single document first. db dot first dot update name and here so this is the criteria for the update and then the operation to be carried out. We use the set operator and say we change the place to Goa. Okay, so db.first.update name is Anand and we set place to Goa. So we just have to close this up. Okay, so now let's do a find and we find that the place has been updated. Now what if you want to update multiple fields? So we have a multiple field update on the same document. Okay, so a multi-field update. Let's check if it is done. So the if you look at the first document, both the fields have been updated. Now what if you wanted to add a new field to the document? So we just use the same command. In this case we have to change this to Neil and we set place is Goa and we say city to Panjim. Okay, now let's see what happens. Again do a find, then we so here we find that the update, if you look at the last document, it has updated the place to Panjim, the city to Panjim and the place to Goa. So these are updates in which you need to add a field. Now we take a case where we want to update multiple documents. So we just go back to this command here, change Neil here. This document has got multiple will return, or this query will return multiple documents. So we need to change the one field. We'll change one field here. Okay, so we change one field here. Say we change this to Chennai, and we also need to give an option of multi equals true, otherwise it will update only one document. Okay, now let's check if the update has worked. So the update has worked for all documents. So these are the different options that you can use for update of single, multi-field, adding a field and updating multiple documents. Now the next operation we'd look into is the delete operation. So the delete could include deletion of a single document, Okay, sorry, that should be removed. Okay, now just check again whether it is done. So that is updating for updating a single or rather removing a single document. Next up, we have to remove the entire collection. So we can use a command db.first.remove to remove the entire collection, and we find that there is no data in the collection. Next, if you want to if you want to drop the entire database, then you use db dot, we ensure that the db is right using db, and then finally db dot drop database. Okay, the database has been dropped. So now we check up to find whether the database still exists. Doesn't. So that's the that's how we drop a database.